Many places are designed with acoustic in mind. But what about yours? Probably many people overlook the issue of noise pollution is actually also disrupt our daily life. Imagine a motorcycle that has been modified sounded like a jet. How about if the group has up to 20 similar motorcycles? This is sound produced by very unpleasant vehicles, especially vehicles that was modified. So far, we are only exposed to the issues of environmental pollution, whereas noise pollution also is one of the form of disturbance that need to be overcome. We would like to invite all together to concern about surrounding community with control the sound used, not to disturbing others. We hope this effort can reduce sound pollution, which often become problem to our society.